Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I am wearing this coat that I just got for my husband. So this coat is really cool looking. It's this beautiful khaki color. So my husband is 6'3" and he usually wears an extra large in shirts and everything. So this is the extra large and it fits him just fine. If you like your coats to be a little loose or wear them over sweaters, I would size one size up. So well, my husband really likes this jacket. My son has kind of taken over. So he usually wears a medium, and you can see how it fits on him. It is really a heavy coat, and the inside is lined with this faux fur. And I really like that it has this drawstring to make it fitted around the waist to add a little structure to it. And then it has a zipper, and then it can snap over the zipper. It also has a really nice fur-lined hood, so it can keep your head warm. Has tons of pockets on the outside. So if you're looking for a really nice informal jacket, this one is super cool, warm. My husband likes it, my son likes it. It's a win. But that's just our point of view.